Kitchen ideas on a budget that are easy to do. Redecorating or redesigning your kitchen is a great way to inject new energy into this space. Once you do decide to redecorate, you'll need some ideas of exactly what to do and what you can afford to do. Kitchen ideas on a budget are often what people are looking for, and there are numerous ways in which to give your kitchen a makeover that won't break the bank. This article will give you some ideas for redesigning your current kitchen on a budget as opposed to designing a brand new kitchen prior to building. Things to think about before you look for kitchen ideas on a budget are exactly how much money you have to spend and what are the definite areas in your kitchen that need to be changed or updated. Realize that you are working within a specific area and there are some things that you may not be able to move, for example doors and windows. Electrical sockets and radiators are other items that most likely will have to stay put and which you will need to work around. Once you know what can be moved, you can get on with redecorating ideas.